Hello, my name is Jesse from Ponte Vedra, Florida. I am a real estate investor here, and I wanted to share with you today how Russell's push-button investor sales funnel system created a sale for me, and I didn't have to speak with the gentleman that signed up. Now, we did speak later, but my point is that this all happened in the background, and it's because of the funnel system. It's awesome. And what it does and how I used it or use it currently to create sales is I'll find a targeted audience or group, and I'll post to them. And this software will allow you to take certain posts and just keep posting them over and over again, of course, time them properly. And you can put it out in Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, which is huge now, and LinkedIn. And you can just target whatever you're putting in front of them and let it go. Push the button, let it go. And now once they sign up, Russell's funnel works, man. It takes over from there, and slam dunk, it's a sale. And that can happen over and over again. And that's why I wanted to share with you today. That's my success story here as and as an investor with Russell's system. Another thing I wanted to let you know too is as a real estate investor, we all want passive income, and that's what this creates. So while you're putting that effort out there, which takes very little each week, is to fine-tune your audience, put your product out there, and let it go. And you'll see the sales come in. So while I'm working on my business, the sales funnel is working in the back end as well as the software that keeps putting my product out there.